Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. I hope you all are feeling blessed, absolutely not stressed, and you have a beautiful smile on your face. Today I'll be making some rice porridge. And here are the ingredients that I will be using. Yes, we have some rice washed and we have some that's cooked because I'm going to be doing it two ways. So the first way is the rice that is not cooked, right? So here I have a cinnamon stick in some water boiling and releasing all that flavor. So now I'm going to add my washed rice. And guys, if you have a white rice that you know is hard to cook, you can wash it and soak it in some water for even a couple hours. That's fine. So I should have taken out the cinnamon stick, but I completely forgot before I put the rice in there. But that's okay, just take it out. So what we're going to do, we're going to stir this thing and stir it occasionally, right? So here now I'm doing the one with the rice that is already cooked. So I had some water boiling and I added the rice, the cooked rice, right? So just stir it a bit and leave it just to come to a boil more. So here is the other rice. It is almost cooked. So as I said, stir it occasionally. You don't want it to cook to stuck to the bottom of the pot, right? So back to the other one. So because this rice is already cooked, we don't need to do a lot. I added some evaporated milk and some coconut milk, right? So just stir that in. And for this method that I'm showing you, I'm going to do this one a little bit more runny than the next one. The next one will be more creamy because not everyone likes their porridge really thick. So here I'm adding some salt and give it a little stir. And I'm adding a little vanilla, some cinnamon and nutmeg, right? And stir that in. So yeah, this one, if you have some leftover white rice, you can just use it to make your rice porridge. So that's why I'm showing you this way, because you don't always have to do it with the rice from scratch, like, you know. So yes, give it a stir and leave it to cook for about 2 minutes. So here now the rice is boiled down and cooked mostly. So I'm adding a whole can of evaporated milk, a lot of niceness, and give it a little stir. And then I'm going to add some beloved coconut milk. Now guys, guess what? You can only use evaporated milk and that is fine. It tastes amazing just the same. But you guys know what coconut milk does. Yes, it does the do. I don't know why I thought I didn't need all of it, so I added the rest. But yes, Vibes Fam, you can use the evaporated milk alone and it tastes amazing. Listen, it's good. It's good, right? But the coconut milk, you know, if you like coconut like me love coconut everything. So yeah, give it a stir and look at that niceness, also creamy and good. So we're going to leave that to cook for 10 minutes. Yes, look at that niceness. I add some salt and now I'm adding some vanilla, salt, vanilla, nutmeg, right? Because I already used the cinnamon stick. So guess what? The cinnamon stick is not necessarily needed. I have it, so I use it. You can use cinnamon powder, it's fine. So with that, you would just have your boiling water and then you add the rice, right? So if you're not using the cinnamon sticks, that's fine. You don't need it. But look at that porridge. Looks so good. And here is the other one. So of course, we're going to sweeten it with some condensed milk. Yes, go in with that milky milk. Hey, Milky. So nice. And Vibes Fam, we turn off the stove, right? Because just like that, it is done. This method is so easy because the rice already cooked. So it's like 1, 2, bam, 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 we're done, right? So, and this is the one that I mostly use. So yeah. And here is the other one and we are sweetening it. So we turn off the stove and now we're going to sweeten it. Add that can of condensed milk and sweeten to your liking. So I don't like it too sweet, but it needs to be just right. So when I taste it, I say, yes, Father, yes. Oh, Lord. Okay. Anyway, so give it a stir. Give it a stir. Vibes fam, I love me some rice porridge. I absolutely love it. Love, 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 love it. So yeah, give it a stir and look at that creaminess, guys. Look at it. So yeah, you just need to get the rice to cook, right? So in total, you would cook it for about 15 minutes or so. I don't know what kind of rice and how your rice is, because yeah, but about 15 minutes, and you don't want too much water in the pot. Well, do it according to how you like your porridge. But then yeah, add your evaporated milk and your coconut milk if you need it. But yeah, vibes fam, that's it. I'm all done. Here we have both porridge, right? The one with the cooked rice and the one with the rice that we started from scratch. And vibes fam, here we have it. Here we have it. Hey, 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 hey. Look at steam, 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 steam. Come true, steamy, come true, eh? Come true, steamy, come true. Look at my porridge, eh? Porridge, eh? Porridge, porridge, porridge. You can see the difference in the color a bit, right? Because remember the one that we cooked the rice from scratch, that one, because of the cinnamon stick in the pot for so long, boiling for a while, and it had the flavor and the color and everything. It was a bit brown. Maybe you guys were worried, but no need. It's okay. It's gonna taste amazing just the same. Amazing, amazing, amazing. And vibes fam, I love what I do. So of course I had to bring out the heart bowls. Yes, the bowls with the heart. Because you are in my heart. And rice porridge is in my heart. And of course, Jesus is in my heart. Yes, my heart. I have a full heart. And vibes fam, yes, I love what I do. So I had to show you it another way. Look at it. Heart on top of heart. Because we have lots of heart around here. Vibes fam, this porridge is so delicious. When I tell you that I love rice porridge, like seriously, I have a problem. Right? When my mom was visiting with me, trust me, no week, when she came from Jamaica and was visiting, not 1 week passed. I had it a couple days a week, and trust me, it showed, because I started looking like rice porridge. Getting all round like rice. But yeah, vibes, I love me some rice porridge. It's amazing. And as I said, you don't have to use the coconut milk. You can only use the evaporated milk. And it is so good, right? Because most of the time, that's how I would do it. When I found out that my mom put coconut milk in there, I was like, what? Why didn't I think of that? Why didn't I think of that? Thanks for telling me, mommy. So yeah, vibes fam. And here is another way, because I'm telling you, vibes fam, I just love what I do, right? So when I dished out another bowl, I'm like, let me show my friends. Let me show my friends. So this one, what is this one saying? You see a heart and a circle. Is it saying love oh? Love oh? I am so corny. But vibes fam, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, this amazing bowl, or these amazing bowls, because so far I haven't had one bowl on the table. It's always two, right? Yes, these amazing bowl of porridge, they're so delicious. Please try it and comment down below and let me know if you try it. And vibes fam, please go and follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. I'm not seeing much of you on Instagram. Where are you guys? Follow me. God bless you.